attempting to lower the drop-down bed, make sure to unfasten the safety straps in the two opposing corners. Lower the bed by lifting it up slightly to take the weight. Then push and hold in the button on the side of the bed to release the catch and pull down to lower. When attaching the ladder into the rungs, make sure to use the clips provided to secure it in place. To raise the bed, again, push it up slightly, hold in the button and lift. As a safety precaution, always remember to refasten the safety straps when the bed is in the raised position. The front seating area can be set up in 3 different ways. When driving, you'll need it configured in a way that gives you access to the belted seats, as is currently shown. To reconfigure it into a larger seating area, start by removing all of the cushions. Flip over the panel on the main seat that is closest to the window until it rests on the ledge of the small chair behind the driver's seat. Replace the cushions using some of the infills provided to make up the corner seat. Next up, locate the small black handle under the side seat and use it to pull out the extension. Flip over the panel on the top to form the seat base. Then replace the cushions using the infills provided again to make up the larger seat. There is a freestanding table that can be found in the near side rear wardrobe. To convert the lounge into a double bed, start by removing the table and all of the cushions. Pop open the handle under the chair behind the driver's seat and pull out the extension as far as it will go. Flip over the panel to complete the base. Then flip over the panel from the main seat until it rests on the newly pulled out support. Using the tabletop, pull out the support leg by pressing in the button and then gently lowering it onto the ledges between the 2 seats. Replace the cushions to make up the mattress. Flipping them over will give you a flatter lie and a more comfortable bed. It's worth noting that you can lift the rear bed to make use of more storage and access the garage. This is also how you increase the length of the bed. When the bed is in the raised position, pull the frame towards you. Lower it back into place and use the infill cushion at the head of the bed to complete the mattress.